How to copy a game in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy a game in Roblox. So let's get started. First, open up Roblox. You can open it up in your application or your web as well. And after you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, simply search for uncopylock. And after you search for it, just hit enter and you'll get a list of games. Now here on this list, you can simply choose whichever game you want. And let me just do that here. Just select a game that you want. And after you tap on it, you will see these three dots on the top right. Tap on it and tap on edit in Studio. Now after you tap on it, you will be redirected to Roblox Studio. Simply download your studio and that's it. That is how you copy the game. Now the copy of the game will be available in your Roblox Studio and you can even edit the game there. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.